Hi, I'm Katie. This weekend, hundreds of UU congregations are participating in a UU Climate Justice Revival. The overarching theme of this revival is Reimagine Together, from an extractive age to a new era. Participating congregations are hosting activities and conversations to learn and explore and imagine together how our actions can bring a just and flourishing future. Here at Merging Waters, as you may have noticed, we're in the midst of some pretty big changes ourselves. A name change, a location change, and a new minister. So we're going to do a climate justice revival light instead of an entire weekend of activities. David Weiss and I checked out several sermons that were part of a sermon contest for the revival. And we have centered this Sunday's service around one of the winners, a sermon called How to Survive the End of the World, written by the Reverend Dr. Molly Hausch Gordon of the UU Church of Columbia, Missouri. Climate justice might be a new term for you. When we speak of climate justice as compared to environmentalism, for example, we're acknowledging a few things. That in the past, damage to the environment disproportionately impacted people on the margins. People who are poor, people of color, people who are disabled. Similarly, all too often, actions meant to protect the environment or actions meant to mitigate climate change leave these same groups of people behind. Our climate is changing, and as with all change, how we respond matters. So join us on Sunday to consider more deeply the idea of climate justice and how we as Unitarian Universalists are called to respond to climate change. Remember, we are now gathering at the UCC Church of New Brighton, located at 1000 Long Lake Road, just north of 694, and we gather at 12:30 on Sundays. I look forward to seeing you this Sunday. Until then, take care.